Oh my god, me. Holy stay. Yeah, yellow-billed freak. Yeah, yellow-billed freak. Why is that funny? That's not even funny. That's so mean. Oh my god, he's like waving. Hello, look at him. Hello, yellow-billed. Why is that funny to me? That's so mean. Hey cuties! So today I am going to be doing a dollar store Halloween taste test candy taste test. I cannot talk ever when I start a video. Anyway, drill it back, girl. Drill. Put that drill in reverse. Can you put a drill in reverse? The thoughts of Samantha. Do not comment negatively about my hair. Yeah, it's fine if you do, I don't care. I just stuck my extensions in. You can see my natural hair here to there, but to my extensions there. But honestly, I just thought it looked cute. And you guys should just do you. And if you feel like something maybe not so nice looks cute on you and you feel confident and I want my blonde hair back, so this is my way to just like have it in temporarily, then it's fine, girl, okay? Be confident in whatever you do. If you want to wear army pants and flip-flops, then wear it. Okay? The COVID Halloween, I don't even know what the hell I'm gonna be doing. I don't know. Probably inside shaking my booty to Frankenstein soundtrack. Okay? I don't know. But anyway, if you guys missed my Halloween nails on the vlog channel, I got a dripping bloody French. And if you guys want to see Halloween-ish videos and vlogs, you guys can go over to the vlog channel and check those out. Let's do a taste test. I gag and I spit out things. So if you don't like that, I would advise you not watching my taste test because that's me. Let's get going. I want to try these first. I don't know why I love these so much. Whenever I went trick-or-treating as a kid, up until I think I stopped trick-or-treating at like 16. Like literally, I trick-or-treated for a long time. Oh, the non-COVID days. Oh, the non-COVID days. I hate COVID. Anyway, so these are called Chocolatey Treats. They are spooky treats brand, $2 at Dollarama, and they're a bunch of ghosts in white and black because they listen to Michael Jackson. Doesn't matter if you're black or white. I can't open these. Anyway. Okay, I'm going to select the black one and we are going to unwrap it. Ew, it looks like somebody injected something into this. It looks like Edward Cullen bit it. Do you see those like two little puncture marks right there? What? And it's like, I'm not eating this one. Let's open this one. There's no Dracula marks on this one. Oh my god, that one was possessed. These look like, are you kidding? These are not, these are bells. Exposed. These are so exposed. These, look at these are Christmas bells. They literally, like even the bells right there, that little lump right there, little dip right there, that's the bell, the actual bell part of it. They just repackaged Christmas bell, I feel. Bell's banging. This is a Christmas bell and nobody can tell me otherwise. It tastes a little old. It's actually not that good of chocolate. I usually love like dollar store chocolate. That's like, it's not gross. It just tastes old, but I mean, it's so chocolate. Alrighty, let's get into this because I saw this and I was like, oh my god, how cute. This is so cute. This little pumpkin guy. He's a jack-o'-lantern with a witch hat. Like he's dressed up. Imagine a jack-o'-lantern dressing up for Halloween. Like, oh my god, I love him. I can't wait to lick his face. Oh my god, there's scissors right there and I'm so lazy. I just want to like Matilda it and be like, na 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 na, and let them float up and come over. I'm on one today. I can't open this. Oh, yum. That smells so good. Look at him. He's actually kind of creepy. I feel like when I bite him, he's gonna like unleash all his possessedness and I'm gonna be like, oh my god. It's so soft. Why do I love this? It's marshmallow. I mean, obviously, what did I expect it to be? Delicious, nice and soft, not hard at all. So sugary. Every bite is like encased with sugar and engulfed. I want to eat his face. Like he's just so cute. He looks funny now. Oh, sorry, this was $1.25. That's way better than any Bell Christmas chocolate, to be honest. I'm mad about that. Okay, anyway. Next, we're gonna try this because I want to look like this. This is like a whole look. This is a Halloween costume candy. This was $1. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Hey, 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 hat the money, hat the money. Okay, we're gonna, oh, what is the frickin', look at this. It was so overcasty before I started. And now all of a sudden it's like, hello, summer. Summer's like, did you miss me? Psych. Cool. I will go over here. And if I have to wait for the sun to go away, then I will. But we need to do this first. Huh? Oh, open. Turn. Oh. Oh my god! What? It's not like that, but I can't wait wait to be this guy. Like, oh my god, the sun! This is what the candy looks like. It's a rainbow effect. Oh, look at that, you're getting sleepy. Yummy! Oh my god, it tastes so good. It's so fruity. Fruity. It's so fruity. It doesn't taste like artificial at all, which is weird. It just tastes like actual like fruit. I love that. I really like this. I'm not one for like suckers or stuff like that because I feel like you're just like licking your own flavored spit. Or whenever I think of that, just it's disgusting, but it's true. You're licking your own spit over and over again that's been flavored by whatever candy, and it just makes me sick. Anyway, and like people that share suckers, I can't. Like even my future husband or wife or dog. Oh wait, that's not okay. I could not share the same sucker as them, even though how much I love somebody, even my child. Like, I don't know. I would share with him though. Okay, but this I would rate as like, you know what, a 10 out of 10. Maybe not that high, like a 9 out of 10. This is really good. I'm not redoing it because now I'm grossing myself out, but I also like that it comes with this. That'd be a cute thing to gift for Halloween treats, you know? If you don't have many kids coming by or like COVID, so you don't have to like touch the actual candy itself. I don't know. Are people even going trick-or-treating this year? Please comment down below. Like, if you're giving out candy, how are you doing it? Or are you not doing it because of the current situation of the world? Are you going out trick-or-treating? Are you not? Like, what is happening? I would love to know the current state of where you are and what the trick-or-treating is. Please let me know. I think this year I'm going to just not do it because it's just like, I don't want like somebody to potentially, you know, come here that has something, or what if I'm a carrier in some way of something and then I touch all this candy and then like give it to them, or like what if I buy candy from the place and then give it to somebody else as a kid. I don't want to do it, so I think I'm just gonna avoid giving out candy this year. I mean, it sucks, but I'm just trying to like help as much as I can with that. I need to try this brain. Look at this brain. Hello. This brain I saw and it's so cute. I follow this, I follow a few like candy pages on Instagram because that's like what I like. I love like looking at different candies and things that come out. And this, somebody posted on one of those pages that Dollarama has a cool $1.50 brain that's jelly and it looks really cool. Imported by Dollarama from Montreal. Oh, Canada! Oh, Canada! I'm scared about this. I love syrupy candy like this. Like, I love that. Like, there used to be a candy like that as a kid. You just put a straw in it and you just like suck out all the syrup. And that's probably why I got fat as a kid. Like, I just loved, I still to this day do. So I cannot wait to try this. I'm so intrigued. Sorry I keep moving the camera around. It's just, I'm trying to not get the evil sun. The evil sun. He's casting a spell. Okay, you gotta open it like this. Oh, okay, ready? Oh, it smells exactly like that thing I was telling you as a kid. Just when I open it up here. Oh, it's so sticky. Did you see that like string? Does it taste like blood because I'm thinking about it too hard? I think that's what it is. I hope that's what it is. Oh my god, this actually is like, to me, what a brain would be if it was for transport. Oh my god! Why does this look real? And why does it slightly taste like blood? Just the syrup of it, it's so sticky. Like, look at this. I don't want to try this. Oh my god, should I go with the cerebellum first or the cerebral cortex? Or maybe we'll just take a bite out of the hippocampus, shall we? Let's try it. The inside, oh, I love it. Okay, this tastes so good. Oh my god. Oh my god, it tastes so good. This is like genuinely good. I can eat this whole thing. This is so yummy. This beats everything else. This is so good. It's like gross and creepy, and I feel like that adds to the whole Halloween. So sticky. It's very chewy, but not like too chewy. It's not overly chewy. That's what the inside of it looks like in there. It's just like spongy. I don't know. It's really good. It's very, very different. It's so good. And just the sound of it, it literally sounds like you're eating brains. I feel like I'm a zombie. Look at my hands. It's not that time of the month. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna try these pumpkin delights. These are Little Debbie snack cakes, but they were at Dollarama, so let's go ahead and try them. They're best before October 31st, so I gotta eat this whole pack before then. I hope I like them. I hope they taste like pumpkin and not just like shaped like it. These are actually like, looks like evil pumpkins. Like their eyes are like, no they're not. They're like, I don't know how to make an evil face like, ha. I just look confused or constipated. I love myself. Pardon? Okay, this one's just a smile and like 2 little dots. He looks so happy. No, we want to be scared. I want to be scared. Oh, ooh, okay. See that one? That one looks like this one's. I really hope they taste like pumpkin, and I hope that's caramel in the middle. Oh, he just looks like fat and wrinkly meat. I need to see all their faces. I don't care. I want to eat the most evil one. These look about the same. These look like, remind me of those like smile potato things, like those, I think they're just called smiles. These all look so happy. And then the last one just looks like that. So we're just gonna eat this one. He looks the most evil. Oh, it smells like pumpkin spice, girl. So this is what this looks like. Let's crack it open. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm eating them all. Oh my goodness. It tastes like pumpkin spice, but I feel like I can taste like actual like pumpkin puree. So soft and delicious. And that is caramel. These are so good. This is the most elevated dollar store snack taste test I've ever tried. These are so yummy. To spend $1 and just give these individual ones as treats if you were going the route of that. I mean, they're individually wrapped. Yum! All right, last but certainly not least are these creepy keepers, and they are peanut butter, and then there's fudge also. I want to try them both. Assortment of flavors with a rich chocolatey taste. These were $3.50 for these, so they better be good because that's now getting into supermarket prices. Oh my God, my eyeballs are flying everywhere. I lost my eyeballs. Oh my God, these are creepy looking too. Look at them, they're like, oh, they say on them, I don't have to guess. I love it. It says peanut butter right on them and fudge right on them. Okay, I have been waiting for hours for the sun to go away. I was gonna switch locations, but I'm like, no, I want this the same location. So you're just gonna have to not mind all these like little lines with the sun right now. I'm sorry, but we're gonna try these eyeballs. Ah, it's time to try the eyeballs with this sun included, okay? We're not letting it cramp my style in my filming location. I'm gonna try the peanut butter one first. In these couple hours I've been waiting and doing other things that needed to be done in the house. One of the cats stole one of my balls. So here are what the balls look like. Ew, they look like weird. This one's peanut butter. See if he wants the other ball. I know you already know what's good. Trust me, it's not like a Reese, but it'll do. Yum, those are good. The chocolate isn't way too sweet. It's not like that fake tasting chocolate. It's really good. I like it. Hello. Okay, now we're gonna try the fudge one. It looks the exact same. Oh, hard. Oh my God, yum. That is like your typical dollar store super fake tasting chocolate. Oh my God, so much better than peanut butter one. I'm addicted. I think the brain and that particular fudge chocolate ball are the best things I tried today. I hope you guys all have a fantastic Halloween, whatever you're doing. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope I brought a smile to your face. Try something new today. Be safe on Halloween and don't be afraid to go to the dollar store and try something. I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys all in the next one.